Hello my stars, and welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a basketball. These are the colors that you'll be needing: brown, black, white. A round object, I'm using a piece of tape or a roll of tape, a pencil, some paper, and your fingers. Okay, first thing, using my roll of tape, or you can use any other round object, we're gonna take our pencil and trace around the round object. We're gonna actually use our pencil a lot today because we have fingers and fingers don't make really thin lines. So a pencil is very useful, or you can use a paintbrush, or you can dry your paint with some hair dryer and then use a black marker, whatever you prefer. I'm gonna go in with our brown paint and I'm just going to color in our circle. Basketball is so easy to paint, and yet I always found it something that I never really liked to paint. I always thought it was so scary for some reason, but if you do the right steps and you use things like circle tools to help you and trace objects, it's going to make a really great basketball. Okay, so we want to make sure that we fill in our brown. I'm just using some quick squiggle lines. If you get a little outside of the circle, that's okay. This is your basketball. This is art. You're not actually going to play with this ball, so it's all right. Just try to get as close to the line as you can. If you're trying to make it look like an actual basketball, like so. Like so. So we got our brown circle. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with our, we're gonna actually go in with our white first. We're gonna do a little bit of white and some of our brown, and I'm gonna add the highlights. So making a very light brown, like so. I'm gonna actually just put a dot right up here and blend this out a little bit. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little bit right there too. This is going to help our basketball just really shine and look three-dimensional. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to take my pencil. You can use any sort of pointy tool, or like I said, you can use a marker, and I'm going to take my black paint and start off making the lines of the basketball. So one thing I like to do is think, where's the center point? So first things first, I'm gonna go to the left of the center point and I'm gonna throw a dot, okay? I put a dot right there, and I'm gonna put one, right down here and right above it, okay? So leaving a little space in between, there's my 3 dots. That's where my 3 lines are going to be on the basketball. So I'm going to take my pencil and just kind of draw a line between these dots and kind of make it a little bit round. So thinking of a smile, just a little bit of a curve. Just a little bit of a curve. I'm going to make sure that I curve right around the edge. Okay? And I'm going to curve a little bit up here as well. Okay, so remembering where my dots were, I had 1 dot up here, so I'm going to make that into like a U. Think of a U. Okay, and then we're going to go down. So there's a little bit of a U, a little bit of a dip, and then we're gonna take this and we're gonna make a hill. We're gonna make a hill. All right, I'm gonna throw a little line in first. Little bit of a hill, and we're gonna do the same thing down here. So we had another one here. So I'm gonna make kind of a frowny face. Like so. Just keep carrying it over. All right, so we've got those 2 lines, and now I just need to do one across the middle. So this one is going to be more straight, but I want to kind of curve it. So throw 2 points on either side and just bring them together. You want to think of a curve because a ball is not completely straight. It's a little bit round, so we're going to curve it up kind of like a really, really big smile. Okay, there you have it. There is the basketball. What do you guys think? Did you paint your own basketball? Be sure to tag me on Instagram at #fingerpaintingstar so that I can see your basketballs. I'd love to see them. I love seeing you guys' artwork. And until next time, sending you lots of love. I hope that you have a great day. Bye!